The Nam-O River Cascade hydropower project, developed by the Power Construction Corporation of China, has generated over 10 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity as of Tuesday. A project manager released the data at an event held Wednesday at PowerChina's Nam-O River Cascade hydropower operation and maintenance center in Luang Prabang, some 220 kilometers north of the Lao capital Vientiane. The Nam-O project, which became fully operational in September 2021, includes 7 cascade hydropower plants along the Nam-O River, the largest tributary of the Mekong River in Laos. The project has a total installed capacity of 1.272 million kilowatts and an average annual generating capacity of 5 billion kilowatt-hours. According to Li Zhigong, Chinese Consul General in Luang Prabang, the Nam-O Cascade hydropower project is a successful case of Power China giving full play to its advantages, and participating in high-quality belt and road cooperation.